This guy predicted the peanut listing on Binance exactly 1 day before the official announcement. He posted this tweet at the 10th of the November, and just look at Binance announcement at the 11th of November. Binance officially announced that Peanut and ACT will be listed there, and just look at their chart. This is the chart of the Peanut. It went from $88 million to something around $2.3 billion. And this is the ACT chart. It went from $20 million to $850 million. Crazy profit for some people who track some smart wallets like Bashir. This is interesting because Bashir deactivated his account after the Binance announcement, which is quite interesting. But in this video, I'm gonna expose how you can find some wallets like Bashir and how to actually track them. This tutorial needs a little coding, but if you don't know how to code, that's totally okay because I'm gonna share all the codes on my Telegram channel. Definitely join that. Also, subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Okay, guys, let's get into it. The first strategy that you can use that personally I don't recommend is actually searching for the date before the announcement. For example, in here I can click on date. We can say from November, the announcement was on 11th. We want some buyers from 9th and also until November until 10th. Or we can set the 11th but make sure the time is exactly before the announcement. But in here I'm gonna click on 10th. If I click on apply and the type should be only buy, this will give you so many results and it's really hard to find some good wallets. But usually you have to look for some big amount of buys like $5,000. But as I said, this is a bit difficult. And make sure when you check these wallets, they bought ACT as well, because if that person has an inside information, he probably should bought ACT as well, because both of them listed at the same day. This is not a way to find some insider wallets. Let's actually show you how you can do it. The tool that I'm gonna use for this purpose is Dune Analytics. I've already shared a video about how you can use this tool to find some alpha colors. Make sure to watch that video. But this time it's a bit different and the code had some changes. On the search bar, just search for common Solana wallets and just click on the first one. We have to change this query because this will show us some holders that actually they hold to specific tokens before a given date. This will give us so many results because let's say we want all the buyers that bought peanuts and ACT before the 11th of November. It will show all the buyers from here to here. Definitely so many people bought peanut and ACT because their market cap were quite big at something around $20 million. What I want to do, I want to limit the wallets, and basically I want, for example, some people that bought both peanut and also ACT from 9th of November to 11th or 12th. We want all the buyers that bought both tokens between these two dates. There is a very high chance that some wallets between these two dates were actually some insider wallets because they bought both tokens. And also, if we get so many results, we can actually add another contract as well. We can find another listing announcement on Binance and add that contract. Let me actually show you how this works. First, let's change this code. Click on fork. And we have to paste the code in here. I'm gonna share this code on my Telegram channel. But as you can see in here, for example, for peanut, we want all the buyers between these two dates, and they should also bought the ACT token between these two dates. If you want, you can add another token as well. You can use ChatGPT for that. Also, if you want to change the date and time, you can, for example, ask ChatGPT to, for example, convert PST time zone to UTC. You can always use ChatGPT. I've coded this by using that, so you can do the same. Now let's click on run selection. Okay, now here's the result of the query. Let's actually check the first one. Let's copy that, go to gmgn website, and search for peanut. On the maker section, paste the wallet, click on apply. And as you can see in here, he bought it exactly at the time that we mentioned on the code, but he sold it quite early, almost before the news. So this person definitely wasn't an insider. He didn't know that this token will list on Binance, and he bought a very low amount, only $14. If you have an insider information, you would definitely invest much more than this, maybe $10,000, $20,000, or $1 million, not only $15. So this person definitely is not an insider. Let's actually check the ACT as well. On the maker section, paste the wallet. Okay, this time he bought it early at around here, and he sold it on here. That was a great profit for this person, but again, this person wasn't an insider because he bought only $24. This doesn't make sense. The result of the query is very high. You can see so many wallets that bought both tokens at the time that we mentioned. What I recommend you to do is actually search for more listings on Binance. For example, in here you can search listing, find the latest tokens that listed on Binance, and add their contract to our query. And make sure the date of the buy was before the announcement time. This is so crucial. The more contracts that you add, the limited results you will get. And for example, let's say you added 10 or 5 contracts, probably you will get less wallets. And make sure those wallets are not snipers. They have a very low amount of transactions, and most of their transactions were related to hunting some Binance or Coinbase tokens. Those wallets can print you money, and it's really worth spending time to find some of these wallets. Let's say you found one. The way you can track them is actually using this bot, Ray Alive, and the only thing that you have to do is actually click on start and add the wallet. For example, let's say this wallet, insider, and when you click on send, you can see this wallet added to database, and whenever this person buy a token, you can see the notification in here, which is great. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, join my Telegram channel, and like this video. Cheers, viewers.